next example of type 2, that is example number 22. Limit x tends to 3, put x is equal to 3, under root 4 plus 3 plus 2 multiplied by 3 square minus 2 divided by 3, under root 4 plus 3, 3 no square 9 plus 2 18 minus 2 divided by 3. 4 plus 3 7 plus 18, 4 plus 3 plus 18 under root 25 minus 2 by 3. 5 minus 2 divided by 3, 3 divided by 3, that is 1. This is your answer. Next example number 23. Put x is equal to 2, under root 2 plus 7 minus 3, under root 2 plus 2 minus 2, under root 9 minus 3, under root 4 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 2 minus 2, 0 by 0. So common factor is x minus 2. X minus 2. Now limit x tends to 2. Here ન્યુમરેટર અને ડિનોમિનેટર બંનેની અંદર રૂટ છે એટલે બેયના રૂટની ઓપોઝિટ સાઇન વડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે. અંડર રૂટ એક્સ પ્લસ 7 માઇનસ 3 divided by under root x plus 2 minus 2 multiplied by under root x plus 7 plus 3 under root x plus 7 plus 3 multiplied by under root x plus 2 minus plus 2 under root x plus 2 plus 2. Now this multiplied by this. Limit x tends to 2. Root x plus 7 multiplied by root x plus 7, रूट निकली जासे. रूट एक्स प्लस 7 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3, 3 रूट एक्स प्लस 7 माइनस 3 रूट एक्स प्लस 7 माइनस 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 9 एने मल्टीप्लाइड बाय अंडर रूट एक्स प्लस 2 डिवाइडेड बाय न्यूमरेटर. हवे डिनोमिनेटर एमां आ बंनेनुं मल्टीप्लिकेशन करशे. अंडर रूट एक्स प्लस 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय अंडर रूट एक्स प्लस 2, रूट निकली जाए एक्स प्लस 2 साथे मल्टीप्लाय थशे प्लस 2 अंडर रूट एक्स प्लस 2 माइनस 2 साथे मल्टीप्लाय थशे माइनस 2 अंडर रूट एक्स प्लस 2 अंडर रूट माइनस 2 प्लस 2 माइनस 4 मल्टीप्लाय बाय रिमेनिंग अंडर रूट एक्स प्लस 7 प्लस 3. दिस प्लस दिस माइनस कैंसल. सो लिमिट एक्स टेंड्स टू 2, x plus 7 minus 9, x minus 2 under root x plus 2 plus 2 divided by plus minus cancel x plus 2 minus 4, that is x minus 2 divided by under root x plus 7 plus 3, x minus 2 common factor cancel. Put x is equal to 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 7 plus 3 under root 4 plus 2 under root 9 plus 3, 2 plus 2 3 plus 3, 4 divided by 6, 2 divided by 3. This is your answer, 2 by 3. Next example number 24. fx is equal to x square. Then find limit x tends to 0, fx plus 4 minus fx minus 4 divided by x. Let's see. fx is equal to x square. So fx plus 4 is equal to x plus 4 no square. X square 8x plus 60. Same way x minus 4 no square, x square minus 8x plus 60. Limit x tends to 0, fx plus 4, that is x square plus 8x plus 60 माइनस है एटले ब्रेकेट में एक्स स्क्वेर माइनस 8x प्लस 16 डिवाइडेड बाय एक्स लिमिट एक्स टेंस टू 0 एक्स स्क्वेर प्लस 8x प्लस 16 माइनस एक्स स्क्वेर प्लस 8x माइनस 16 डिवाइडेड बाय एक्स स्क्वेर प्लस माइनस कैंसल 16 प्लस माइनस कैंसल लिमिट x टेंस टू 0 8x plus 8x 16x divided by x cancel 16. This is your answer. Next example number 25. If fx is equal to x square plus 5x plus 1, fx is equal to x square plus 5x plus 1. So fx plus 2, x ની જગ્યાએ x plus 2 નો સ્ક્વેર 5 multiplied by x plus 2 plus 1 x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 5x plus 10 plus 1 x square plus 9x plus 4 plus 10 14 plus 1 15 f x minus 2 x minus 2 no square 5 multiplied by x minus 2 plus 1 x square minus 4x plus 4 5x minus 10 plus 1 x square plus 5x minus 4x plus x 4 plus 1 5 minus 10 minus 5 limit x tends to 5 by 2 fx plus 2 fx minus 2 fx plus 2 fx minus 2 divided by 4x square minus 25 limit x tends to 5 by 2 fx plus 2 that is x square plus 9x plus 50 x square plus 9x plus 50 minus x square plus x minus 5 divided by 2x square minus 5 square limit x tends to 5 by 2 x square plus 9x plus 15 minus x square minus x plus 5 divided by આના અવયવ આપણે પડશું 2x minus 5 2x plus 5 x square plus minus cancel 9x minus x that is 8x plus 20 8x plus 20 divided by 2x minus 5 2x plus 5 limit x tends to 5 by 2 4 common x plus 5 4 common 2x plus 5 2x minus 5 2x plus 5 divided limit x tends to 5 by 2 2x plus 5 2x 5 cancel put x is equal to 5 by 2 4 upon 2 multiplied by 5 by 2 minus 5 2 to cancel 4 divided by 5 minus 5 4 by 0 function has no limit. Next 26 fx is equal to under root x plus 2 limit x tends to 2 under root x plus 2 minus 2 upon x minus 2 multiplied by under root x plus 2 plus 2 under root x plus 2 plus 2 limit x tends to 2 x plus 2 रूट निकली जासे plus 2 under root x plus 2 minus 2 under root x plus 2 minus plus minus 4 x minus 2 x plus 2 plus 2 limit x tends to 2 plus minus cancel minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 x minus 2 x plus 2 plus 2 cancel put x is equal to 2 1 upon under root 2 plus 2 plus 2 1 upon root 4 plus 2 1 upon 2 plus 2 1 upon 4. This is your answer. Next 27 fx is equal to x square plus 5 f 3 plus h x ની જગ્યાએ 3 plus h નો સ્ક્વેર plus 5 9 plus 2h plus h square plus 5 so h square plus 2h plus 40 f3 3 no square plus 5 3 no square 9 plus 5 is equal to 14 limit h tends to 0 f3 plus h minus f3 divided by h 3 plus h h square plus 2h plus 14 minus 14 divided by h plus 14 minus 14 cancel limit h tends to 0 limit h tends to 0 h common h plus 2 divided by h h cancel put h is equal to 0 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. This is your answer. Last of this type 28 limit x tends to a under root x minus under root a limit x tends to a under root x minus under root a x minus a under root ax multiplied by under root x plus under root a under root x plus under root a limit x tends to a root cancel x minus a under root x plus a under root x minus a divided by x minus a under root ax multiplied by under root x plus under root a plus minus cancel limit x tends to a x minus a upon x minus a under root ax divided by under root x under root a cancel put a is equal to x is equal to a 1 upon a multiplied by a under root a plus under root a 1 upon under root a square under root a plus under root a 2 under root a under root a no square so root निकली जासे a 2 under root a 1 upon 2 a under root a. This is your answer. Here our type 2 is completed. In next session we will start our next type, that is type 3. Thank you.